This entire AI story video was created with Media.io, and in this tutorial, I'll show you how to make one like it step by step.
Live, then kill her.
You're alive.
Xuan, Su, Mo, Qi, Ban, Hui, Wen, Din, Motuan, Xiaojua, Changshu, Yetong, Tiewei, Stronger, Shifu. 17 strikes, not one less.
Do it.
Why didn't you finish me as a child?
Your eyes looked like mine when I was young. Cherry blossoms are beautiful because they don't last 7 days. I knew I'd be like them. 17 names, plus me, 18.
This story video was created with Media.io, and in this tutorial, I'll show you how to make one like it step by step. And if you want to recreate this exact video, leave a comment below. I'll share the prompt I used. AI story videos look amazing, but if you're starting from scratch, writing the story, creating visuals, and turning everything into a video can feel overwhelming. That's where Media.io's AI story feature comes in. It helps you turn an idea into a complete story-style video workflow. First, start with a simple story idea. You don't need a perfect script. Just describe the main character, the setting, the conflict, and the visual style you want. Here's the prompt I used. Notice how it includes the character, the world, the emotional tone, and the kind of ending I want. That helps the AI understand the story better. Once the idea is ready, generate the story. Media.io will help build out the structure so you're not staring at a blank page. After the story is generated, don't skip the review step. You can adjust the wording, improve the pacing, and make the story feel more like your own. Next, turn the story into visuals. Choose a style that matches the mood: cinematic, fantasy, anime, realistic. Generate the video and preview the result. This is where your idea starts to feel like a finished AI story. And here's the final result, from one prompt to a complete AI story video.
Shifu, 17 strikes, not one less. I don't need to count anymore.
If you want the exact prompt I used for this video, comment "prompt" below and I'll share it with you. Try creating your own AI story with Media.io and subscribe for more AI video tutorials.